when the mom has a child at night.
This is so fun. If I have questions, listen to my story. Oh my god. Have you watched me go? No. Not two days. Then I'm going to go.
My water just dropped. No!
Is it ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Woohoo! This is so fun.
Kids! What do you want, Mom? Yeah, it's early. It's early. My water just dropped. Wait, what? I'm not joking. Are you actually not joking? Yeah, I'm not joking, guys. Take me to the hospital. Okay. I'll go to the hospital. Nah, she would this. Lily will do it. This is Lily. I mean, Clara will do it. This is Clara. Okay, fine. But dear.
I'm saying, I went to the ski.
Hello, this is the hospital. May I help you? My mom had the water drop and it's broken. Oh, okay, we'll be there now. Okay, thanks. They will be there now. Okay.
That's okay, well, I'll always be here too. If I ever turn, I'll be here. So.
If you don't have the character, take it by your own. I don't have the character. Do it by yourself then. Oh, dang it. Do it to you. Okay. Oh, it's a zombie.
Well, you're not gonna best, but try.
Wait. Isn't that...
Okay, now it's time, and I'm going to finish sausages. We're probably and go to a cabin. And that will be all his food.
I finally got that shirt, which is the ring. I finally got the hand sanitizer. I finally got the injuries. Just not there, not there. Finally, I went to the one by the floor. Wait. Let me just restart Tokaboka and I'm gonna continue the
Kaso nga raw, init, nakukover niya. Yung sobrang init sa loob ng bahay. Pangalawa, pag umulan, siyempre, imbis na diretso, bumagsak ng ulan, minsan yung mga hindi siya pupunta. Yan tayo dito, makapansin niyo yung blue line na yan. May purpose yan. Kapag umulan, imbis na tutuloy doon yung tubig, babagsak sa window mo, ikakat na rito. So, ang tawag dyan ay grip mode. So, dito babagsak yung tubig para makat siya. Sa ating mga design, mahalaga na naglalagay tayo ng mga canopy o legs na
Ninja zombie. I must beauty. Where's the mom? How's the mom just there? Hurry up.
Mga lima sila. Hindi ko sila kasama. Nagkataon lang na sabay. Nagkataon lang na nagkasabay kayo. Hindi isa na isa. Magkakatahanan lang tayo. Nagkasabay lang kayo. Hindi ko nagkakayo siya. Hindi. Kasi naloko mo na ako eh. Walang problema sa nagkasabay lang kayo. Nagkataon lang sa namin ng araw sa taon.
Sinasabi ko lang, ayaw man namin yung intensyon. Ano kung bakit nito kasi ito rin naman ang ako.
Hindi, walang problema. Marami tayo. Kahit makita ko sa yung projects, walang problema doon. Alam niyo naman, mula nagsimula tayo, maayos na ang ginagawa natin dito. Pinabanan nga natin yung corruption. Alam mo naman yan eh. Alam mo kung paano natin dininis ang City Hall. Hindi ko masasabing hindi. Pero, sa minsan, nagkataon lang na pumunta kayo dito. Nagkataon lang na masama ko yung ganap.
Hi, I'm asleep in the room.
Siyempre magagalit sila. Pero sa akin naman kasi,
Went to the second floor. Oh well.
hindi pala totoo yung sinasabi ko. Kasi imposible mong pakilala ng magandang pagbabago. Imposible mong pakilala ng tunay yung pagbabago.
Sir, here's now, how important is yung take-home pay? Take-home kasi, di ba, para sa employee na itong pumasok na ba, tao naman yan, ano eh, whether sa government o sa private, walang choice na ano, give me the best benefits, the best take-home pay. Kaya syempre, sabihin na natin, time na medyo maluwag, kahit nasabihin natin hindi sila regular, kung sila every 3 years or every extra income, nag-extra yung extra income, which to them, they were learning, parang mas importante pa yun sa kanila kaysa yung may 10 years sila.
Okay, you actually have a real baby. Push! Push!
First time ko nilagay ng perfume. Sa question lang po, you mentioned po kanina na we just focus on the phone. Kasi ito yung ano po
Push!
sabi niya transparency. I think yung naging focus sa
Is this what is way more better?
pero parang sa atin ano po namin yes, as well as you should not forget the basic services.
Push button, push, push. Push button.
Before nakasanayan sa partner meron uniforms, hindi lahat ng bata sa help
Okay. Okay, I'm in the number 2 floor. Comment down below what do you like. And then you tell your mama to buy. This is so fun, right? I know. I don't know why you have cancer. Same. Okay, you got the baby now, Matam. Oh, cute baby. You're so cute. I got the real diamond now. Now I got 4. I don't know how many diamonds I have. Thank you for helping. No worries, Mom. I got you this picture. Oh, thanks. That baby is so cute. That baby is so cute and famous. You know, that baby is so cute. That baby is actually so cute. Let's go, Mom. Okay, let's go. You can get the hand sanitizer. You can get this popsicle, 2 popsicles if you want. Nah, I'm gonna be good now. I wanna work here. Same, I wanna work you. But you can't, because we're there. It's only, wait, I put a backpack. This is bring this hand sanitizer. Yeah, same. I'm gonna bring the hand sanitizer down. Okay. Okay, this just blocked the way. So I don't know why do some people need hand sanitizer for no reason. Let's go. Okay, we'll take a taxi. No, it's okay. You don't need to do it. We don't usually use a ticket, but this changes. Let's go in the taxi. Save here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 11. I don't know how many. Wait, I'm gonna get the food, of course. What would I forget about my popsicles? So very. Oops. Let me go back to sleep. Same. Night night. Part 2 comic side. But before that, we'll put the dog on our bed. Because they don't have a bed, just a penguin. Okay, see you tomorrow. See you later. Bye.